week, $4.50 to go by. But me no know about surviving now without the $25,000 voucher. But wait, me never get it. Thanks to prosperity.
Light gone up, water bill gone up, food bill gone up. Thanks to prosperity, the $10,000 I did buy food with it, I did pay my water bill with it. I even give my girlfriend $2,000 out of it. Minimum wage now $9,000. So if I work a full 2 hours, we can finally afford a party. Thanks to prosperity.
There are so many affordable housing options. It is so hard for young Jamaicans to choose. Thanks to prosperity, yay!
Thanks to prosperity, if I work 10 to 12 hours over the next 20 years, I just might clear my student loan debt.